Which is greater? 28972, 28982. The first number is 28,972. Second number is 28,982. Welcome to the sixth grade math course, and this is the third lesson in the series. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to compare numbers. We're going to learn about ascending and also descending order of numbers. When we want to compare two different numbers, we compare them using the greater symbol, okay, greater, the less symbol, less, and the equal symbol. Now we can compare numbers using any one of these symbols. Now the greater symbol from the word greater, it simply means that the number on the left side is greater than the number on the right. When we use the less symbol, it means the number on the left is less than the number on the right. And the equal symbol simply means the numbers are the same, they're equivalent. Now, let's take a look at this. Now, one way that we can easily remember the symbol is by taking a look at the crux on the screen. We can see that the croc has its mouth opened towards this direction and the greater symbol, and we can see that it has its mouth opened towards this direction and the less symbol. And for the equal sign, we can just take a look at this for the equal sign. Another way that we can try to remember this is by lifting our arm or right arm and bending it towards ourselves. So for the greater symbol, bending your right arm towards yourself is going to create a great symbol, and bending your left arm towards yourself is going to create a less symbol. For the equal sign, we know it's just two parallel lines underneath themselves. Now let's try comparing some numbers. Let's start with this first number. For this case, the number on the left is less than the number on the right. Now we can see this clearly with the digit 7 in here and digit 8 here. So this is 10 units greater than the other. So for this case, it's going to be a less symbol. 28972 less than 28,982. Let's compare another number for the case of 496 and 285. You can see that the number on the left is less, the number on the right is the greater side. So it's going to be the right side greater than the left side. If we've got equivalent numbers for this case, we just put the equal sign. Let's keep going. Ascending and descending order of numbers. So what do we mean by ascending and descending numbers? Now from the word ascending, we start from the smallest to the greatest, ascend, move up. For the word descending, we start from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, we move down. Now we can see this as the number goes from 1 to 5, and for this case, the number goes from 5 straight down to 1. Now this is the basic of ascending and descending order. So we can have some bunch of numbers that we want to arrange. For example, we could have four different numbers, random numbers. Say, if we were to arrange this number in descending order, it's going to be 1 first because that's the smallest number. The next set of number will be 4, 7, and 25 respectively. Greatest to the smallest, ascending. And if we were to arrange another set of number, say 2, 9, 1, 0, 5. In this case, we want to arrange it in the descending order. So 9 is going to come first. We're going to get 5. We're going to get 2, 1, and 0 from the greatest to the least. Let's send it. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next. Bye for now.